Today, I'll show you how to turn on terrain mode in Google Maps. Whether you're planning a hiking trip, trying to understand the topography of a new area, or simply curious about the world around you, knowing how to enable terrain mode can provide you with valuable insights. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First, you'll want to navigate to the starting point of our journey, Google Maps itself. Open your preferred web browser and type in google.com/maps. Once you're on the home page, you'll be greeted with a familiar view of your location or map of interest. This is where the magic begins. Now take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice an icon labeled Layers. This is your gateway to various map views. Clicking on this will reveal a menu with different options, including satellite views, traffic conditions, and the one we're interested in today, terrain mode. After clicking on layers, you should see a few options pop up. One of these will be terrain. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do, the map will transform, displaying contours and shading that represent the Earth's elevations and landforms. This is terrain mode, and it can provide a more detailed understanding of the geography of an area, highlighting hills, valleys, and other natural features. Activating terrain mode is particularly useful for outdoor enthusiasts, geography students, or anyone who needs to visualize the physical landscape. It can help in planning routes that are less steep or finding the best vantage points for stunning views. Plus, it's just fun to explore the world with this added layer of detail. If you're using Google Maps on a mobile device, the process is quite similar. Open the Google Maps app, tap on the layers icon, which looks like a stack of squares, and then select terrain from the list of options. Your map will update to show the terrain details just like on the desktop version. Remember, you can always switch back to the regular map view or any other mode by returning to the layers menu and selecting a different option. Google Maps offers a variety of views, each serving different purposes, so feel free to explore them all. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on terrain mode in Google Maps. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can enhance your understanding of the world's geography. I hope you find this feature as fascinating and useful as I do. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.